In the enchanting realm of Technology Kingdom dwell two tiny data fairies known as Backup and Restore, embarking on extraordinary journeys. Amidst the whimsical landscapes, Backup and Restore navigate their tasks with precision and magic, safeguarding the digital wonders of their realm. As the sun sets over Technology Kingdom, the data fairies prepare for their nightly rituals, ensuring the harmony and balance of data flow. Through the ancient forests and sparkling rivers, Backup and Restore weave their spells, preserving the essence of information in every byte. In the heart of Technology Kingdom, where bits and codes dance in harmony, the data fairies stand as guardians of digital archives, a beacon of reliability. With a sprinkle of stardust and a whisper of algorithms, Backup and Restore ensure that the data streams flow seamlessly, a symphony of order in the digital realm. As dawn breaks in Technology Kingdom, the data fairies greet the new day with diligence, ready to face any challenge that comes their way. Through the cycles of dusk and dawn, Backup and Restore harmonize the ebb and flow of data, a perpetual dance of preservation and renewal. In the magical tapestry of Technology Kingdom, every line of code tells a story, and the data fairies are the keepers of these digital tales, woven with care. With their wands of wisdom and shields of security, Backup and Restore safeguard the data realms, ensuring that information thrives and endures. As twilight descends upon Technology Kingdom, the data fairies illuminate the pathways of knowledge, guiding the bytes to their rightful destinations. Through the enchanted mists and glowing data streams, Backup and Restore stand as beacons of light, illuminating the secrets of the digital universe. In the realm where imagination meets innovation, the data fairies weave their magic, ensuring that the threads of data are never lost to time. As the stars twinkle above Technology Kingdom, Backup and Restore watch over the slumbering data, a silent vigil in the realm of dreams and bytes. Through the realms of firewalls and encryption, the data fairies shield the digital treasures, ensuring that only the worthy may unlock their secrets. In the final glow of sunset, Backup and Restore bid farewell to another day, their duty done with grace and dedication, ready for the adventures that await. As the moon rises over Technology Kingdom, the data fairies prepare for the night's watch, a silent promise to safeguard the realm till dawn breaks anew. In the quiet moments of the night, as Technology Kingdom slumbers, Backup and Restore stand vigilant, the unsung heroes of the digital domain.